You know what some of you guys may not know about me is I own a construction business. That's my day job. I do construction for mostly new homes. Now you may be asking, Mike, why are you telling me this? Why are you on a construction site today? What's going on here? Let me start by saying I love RecTech. I love the brand RecTech. They have great equipment. Recently, they sent me the RT380, the Bullseye, and they wanted me to kind of do a review on it. It was a relaunch of a product, that they had before, and they wanted to relaunch it, and it just didn't go very well. I've used it 6 times. First time right out of the box, went to error, spent an hour trying to troubleshoot it and replace a probe, and then it went to error like 2 or 3 different times. And this last time that I used it, it went to error 4 times in the middle of a cook, in the middle of a video that I'm trying to shoot. So the Bullseye's let me down, and I just can't have something in the backyard that I can't rely on. So the great thing about owning a construction company is you have the opportunity to own some big toys. Guys, I love RecTech. I love my 680. I love my miniature version. I think it's the 340. I think they're a great brand. I think they put out great products. The problem is you can't always put out a perfect product. And maybe it's a complete dud. Maybe their 380 line is doing phenomenal. Mine, not so much, especially now. But, I'm not trashing RecTech. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with the RecTech brand. In fact, I support them, and I'll be buying more stuff from them in the future. But as far as this Bullseye goes, well, it's in the right place now. My goal here is to always be honest with you, always be straight, and let you know what's going on so that you can make educated choices on what to put in your backyard, how to use it, and what to cook on it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please do me a favor, share it with your family, your friends, through a text message, whatever. Share it, help me grow the channel. Guys, I hope you have an awesome week, and I'll see you on the next video.